It's been raining all day here in Osaka. It's still raining right now at 9 p.m. I really don't feel like going back out there. I already stepped in a puddle, my shoes wet, my socks wet. And for those of you that know me, my pet peeve is having wet socks, so I ain't about that life. I figured what better time to give you a room tour of my Airbnb than right now. I ain't doing nothing but staring out the window being butthurt that it's raining outside. Okay, so there's a door. As soon as you come in, there's a sink. Don't mind my wet socks. I told y'all I hate having wet socks, so they drying on the dish rack. No disrespect to the owner of this Airbnb. Got a little coffee maker, or hot water pot actually, and he left us some cups. Got his little incense to get my spiritual burn on. Look, got some dishes. Ooh, what's this? It's a lock. That's where he keeps the ooh-wee. So we look into the room. Don't mind the luggage right there. Oh, wait. It's where you take off your shoes because, you know, you can't disrespect this Japanese person's home. They had the sandals on deck for us. Got umbrellas for us. And what's this? Oh, we got a secret clubhouse. Wait, let's open it. Oh, that's where the bathroom is. Oh man, I was hoping for a fancy space age toilet, but that's just a regular toilet. Alright, so sink, the bathtub, and the shower. Oh, let me tell you something about the shower. Oh, so at first, when I came in, the shower head was like right here. So I was all confused. So I was like, so do I like sit down in this tub and shower like a kid? But wait. It took me a minute, but then I realized you can pick it up and put it up here and stand like a grown-ass man and shower. But like, low-key, I sat down here for like the longest time. This was me showering for the first time. Like, I guess this is how they do it in Japan. But what I will say about this toilet though, okay, so you flush it and go that way, that's how you flush the pee. But why is this icon of a dude with his legs spread open? I guess that's the symbol for you just drop the load and your legs can't shut, so you flush it this way. And when you flush it this way, the toilet sucks the soul out of you, so you better get off that toilet as soon as you flush, or else you're gonna lose some body parts. Continue through the room. There's a little shelf with handy dandy information. Oh, but the most important thing was the Airbnb included a mobile Wi-Fi hotspot, and that has saved my life so many times because I do not know where I'm going. I can't read Japanese. I can't even speak Japanese. The latest in 13-inch TV technology, but it's got Japanese television, so I'm gonna check that out later. And they were very helpful. They have towels and blow dryers and stuff all labeled out. Oh, look at that, a vanity mirror. Because you know what? When you're so sexy, you gotta look at yourself sometimes. Alright, so we're gonna spin it around. There's a little table. Check out this bed. It's a full-size bed. It can fit 2 people. Y'all gotta be like 150 pounds or less. Keep that in mind. And there's a little portable closet for you to hang your stuff. At first I was like, damn, they got a brick wall in here? But then when you look closer, man, I done got catfished. That's brick wall paper. Let me take you over here. At first, that looks like a chair, but when you pull on it, watch this. Transformers, more than me. DI. And look, it's another bed. I slept on that last night. It's actually kind of comfortable. Then we got a little air purifier. Got a lamp. Then we got the mini fridge. Microwave toaster oven. And I don't think y'all can see this view, but oh look, wait, hold on. There you go. That's the train station right there, son. I'm right by Osaka. All you gotta do is walk a couple steps and you can get anywhere. That wraps up my Airbnb tour for Osaka, Japan. Can't really beat the price. It's like $40 a night. Way cheaper than a hotel. Just as much space, even more. I got a fridge and a microwave, so I save money on cooking and food and all that stuff. So yeah, if you guys want to come to Japan, make sure you check out the Airbnb site before you just book a hotel. Alright, so I lied. Room tour done, and we going back out, because why, Sean?
Because we're bored.
Yeah, because we in Japan. Why are we gonna sit in our room like a bunch of lames? Come on now. So we just left our Airbnb, which is actually an apartment complex. And as you can see, it's like 9:30 p.m. at night-ish. And it's pretty quiet. Like, there ain't nobody out here trying to rob me. So, you know, that's a plus. It's only 2 flights of stairs. Everyone else doing okay. So we can take the elevator because somebody too tired to go up these steps.
I'm not too tired of wearing heels.
She ain't wearing heels. She lying.
Look. Yes.
Those ain't heels. Those are like platform boots. All right, so now we're on the elevator. Shauna, push a button.
I don't know which one.
Just don't push one. That's the floor we on. The elevator even speaks Japanese to you. Well, of course. What else would they speak? Sorry, guys. Lit League in the building.
You lit.
Yeah, I am. Most excited vlog for the... Shh. She's so cute. I guess we back at the Osaka station because Shauna just love partying here, so I'm gonna let her lead the way. Wherever she wanna go, that's where it's going down. She on a mission for something, and you know what? I was too bored to sit in the room, so I'm gonna follow her around this train station because this train station is massive. So whatever they got going down, I'm with it. Okay, so they got hot dogs, right? Looking cool, but wait, what? Limited time coffee with a hot dog? Coffee with a hot dog? Where do they do that at? Osaka, Japan, I guess.